Hello students, did you enjoy your holidays? Welcome to Standard 4th. Today will be your first class of value education. Have you ever seen any farmer? What does a farmer do? A farmer harvests fruits, vegetables, grains, etc. for the people. So today we will learn the story of the honest farmer. So the name of the story is The Honest Farmer. Once there was a humble farmer who lived in a village. He was hardworking, upright in character, and honest. His mind never hankered after anything that was not necessary for his daily living. Now see the meaning of hard words. Upright. Upright means honest and responsible. Hankered. Hankered means to have strong desire for something. How was the farmer? The farmer was hardworking, honest, and a responsible person. His mind never hankered after anything. He was not determined enough. He was satisfied in his life. Now, next paragraph. He used to get up very early in the morning and go to the river bank to have a bath and say his daily prayer. Now, next paragraph. Shouldering his plough, he would go to the field and plough till midday. Because of his hard work, he usually got a good harvest. Thus, he was leading a contented life. Now, see the meaning of hard words. Shouldering. Shouldering means to take or carry something from one place to another. Shouldering his plough, he would go to the field and plough till midday. The farmer was carrying his plough to the field and ploughed till midday. Because of his hard work, he usually got a good harvest. Thus, he was leading a contented life. Contented means happy or satisfied. Because of this, he was living a satisfied life. Now, next paragraph. One day, early in the morning, as usual, he went to plough the field. He was going round and round, singing divine songs to enthuse the bulls so that they might not feel the strain of hard work. Suddenly, he felt some hard substance obstructing his plowshare. Now, see the meaning of hard words. Enthuse. Enthuse means to motivate. Strain. Strain means exertion. Plowshare. Plowshare means the main cutting blade of a plow. Now, one day, what happened? He went to plow the field early in the morning. At the time of plowing the field, he always sang motivational songs to motivate his bulls, to enthuse his bulls, so that they do not feel exertion or stress of hard work. At the time of plowing the field, he felt something hard blocking the path of his plow. Now, see the next paragraph. He unyoked his bulls and dug the spot with a spade and found a pot full of gold coins. Now see the meaning of hard words. Unyoked. Unyoked means to release a pair of animal from yoke. Spade. Spade means a tool for digging or shovel. When he felt something hard blocking the path of his plowshare, he stopped plowing the field. He immediately released his bulls from their yoke and started digging the spot with his shovel. And then he found a pot full of gold coins. The poor farmer was taken by surprise. He took the pot home safely. The find of treasure didn't upset him. He slept soundly at night. The farmer was surprised when he found a pot full to the brim with gold coins. He took the pot home. The find of treasure didn't upset him. He slept soundly at night. Now, next paragraph. He said his usual prayers in the morning, asking Bhagwan to give him the strength of mind to be desireless. He thought, the land belongs to the king. He is the owner of this gold. So I have to give this pot full of gold to him. The next morning he prayed to God to grant him the strength or the power of mind to be desireless. And then he thought, the land belongs to the king. The owner of the land is the king. So he is the owner of this gold. So I have to give this pot full of gold to him. Now next paragraph. Early next morning he set out to the palace of the king. He was given audience by the king. He placed the pot in front of the king. The king himself was surprised to see a pot full of gold coins. Set out. Set out means start a journey. Early next morning he set out to the palace of the king. Early next morning the farmer started a journey to the palace. He went to the palace of the king. Then the king called the farmer inside the palace. After that, he placed the pot in front of the king. The king himself was surprised to see a pot full of gold coins. The king was impressed by the honesty of the farmer. He asked the farmer, "Do you know the value of the gold coins?" "Yes, your majesty. It may be a few lakhs of rupees," replied the farmer. "But did you not feel like keeping it as it was found by you?" asked the king. The farmer replied, "No, your majesty, it belongs to you, as you are the owner of this land." The king was without words. He ordered his minister to reward the farmer with 10 lakhs of rupees. Then what did the king do? The king rewarded the farmer with 10 lakhs of rupees because of his honesty. The farmer humbly refused the reward, saying, "I have done my duty to my king and the nation. Use the money for the welfare of the people." He walked away calmly. What was the farmer's reaction after getting rewarded by the king? He humbly refused the reward, saying that I have done my duty to my king and the nation. Use the money for the welfare of the people. And he walked away calmly. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, do not trade your dignity and honor. Students, what do you learn from this story? We should keep up our honesty and never give up our dignity and honor. Students, now you go through the story at home and solve the given questions. Now this is the homework for you. Students, this year you are having online exam for value education with other subjects. So go through the videos again. Thank you.